Hi everyone. Just a couple of quick things. Since there's so much going on as you're finishing up your master's program, which is really cool, I wanted to do just a couple of reminders. April the 10th, your change logic model is due, and I've already gotten a few in, so thank you for that, and I look forward to reading the logic models from the rest of you. In addition, if you have not already done so, we need to schedule that presentation and let me know when that can be done, and just remember that the presentation needs to be completed before May the 1st, and if I'm not able to attend, then you need to make arrangements to do a video, and I am attending some of them via Zoom or other virtual method to fit everything in. So I just wanted to kind of remind you of those last couple of things. You do have journal entries coming up due, and the next one is due April the 14th. So just kind of remember those types of things as we move forward, and always let me know if you have any questions or concerns. And I do want to do a very quick recap. I want to thank those of you who did complete the SurveyMonkey. It's very helpful to me to know how the course was going, and that was back around spring break time. So I have reviewed the results, and it looks like most everything is going well in the course. I didn't see themes as far as recommendations to change things, but if you do think of something that would work better, or something that I need to do differently, please always feel free to let me know. I want to make sure that this is a really good experience for you. So again, if you need anything, let me know. Otherwise, I'll look forward to your change logic models that will be coming in on April the 10th. Thank you so much. Take care now.